student. Today we will discuss chapter number 4, heat flow and temperature. This is a part 1. In the sunlight or sit near fire, you feel hot. When you touch a piece of ice, you feel cold. When you dip your finger in warm water, you feel warm. Why do we feel hot, cold or warm? Because of heat. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy which causes the sensation of hotness or coldness. When you rub your hands together, your hands become warm. Why? Because the mechanical energy gas convert into heat energy. So many other form of energy can be converted into heat energy. You can see in this picture. Bulbs, electric energy convert into heat energy. When you burn the candle, chemical energy convert into heat energy. Here mechanical energy convert into heat energy. Here light energy convert into heat energy or heat energy convert into light energy. So energy convert into another form. Heat is measured in joules or calories. SI unit of heat is joule. Have you heard that during summer months you must have often heard the temperature is very high today, or during winter month the temperature is very low today or cold? What is mean by temperature in these statements? Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold a body is. The temperature of body is an indicator of the heat energy present in it. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Commonly we use 2 degrees Celsius and degree of Fahrenheit. So what is temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness of an object on some chosen scale is called its temperature. As I told you in previous slide, the temperature is a measure of how hot or cold a body is. How do we express the temperature of a body? The temperature of a body is measured using a device called thermometer. Thermo means heat. A thermometer has two standards on its own, as the fixed point of the temperature is always same. The lower fixed point is the temperature at which ice melt at the sea level. At the upper fixed point is the temperature at which pure water boils at the sea level. The three scales used for measurement of temperature are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. Celsius scale is named after the Swedish scientist Anders Celsius. In Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius and the upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit scale is named after Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. In this scale, the upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit and the lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. You will learn about Kelvin scale in higher classes. As you see the pictures of different thermometer in this slide. There are two types of thermometer, laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. In this slide, we will discuss laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is used in laboratories for measuring temperature while performing experiment. Now you can see the construction of this. It consists of very fine capillary tube. You can see in this picture in between there is a red color. You can see it's a very fine capillary tube and protected by thick glass tube called the stem. The outer covering is protected by the thick glass which is known as stem. The lower end of the capillary tube is converted into glass bulb. You can see in this picture a red color bulb like a structure. It's a lower end and it is filled with mercury, and the upper end of this tube is sealed. The commonly used laboratory thermometer have a range from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. So the upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Celsius and the lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius or -10 degrees Celsius. When the thermometer is in contact with a hot body, the mercury in the capillary tube expand and rise up. When the thermometer is in contact with a cold body, the mercury in capillary tube contracts and fall down. Thermometer and digital thermometer. First, clinical thermometer. The laboratory thermometer cannot be used to measure the human body temperature because when we take out the bulb of the laboratory thermometer from our mouth, the level of mercury start falling due to its contact with air. So it can give a wrong reading. So to measure the body temperature, we need a thermometer in which mercury level does not fall even when its bulb is removed from the mouth. So to measure the temperature of human body, we use clinical thermometer. Construction of a clinical thermometer is same as the laboratory thermometer. Only difference is that there is a slight bend in the stem. Stem means the outer covering, the glass bulb. Just above the bulb, this you can see the bend. This bend is known as kink, K-I-N-K, kink. Why it is there? To prevent the movement of mercury back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out of a person's mouth. The clinical thermometer has a range from 35 degrees Celsius, it's a lower point, to 42 degrees Celsius, it's the upper fixed point, because the temperature of human body never goes beyond these limits. So the normal body temperature of human is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 Fahrenheit. Digital thermometer. A big disadvantage with mercury thermometer is that when the mercury, it's a toxic substance, is a harmful substance, when it's break, the mercury spills out and it is very difficult to dispose of this mercury. So we use digital thermometer. In this thermometer, don't use mercury. So we will read about this in higher classes. To be taken while reading a thermometer. Wash the thermometer before use with an antiseptic solution and dry it using a cotton swab. Hold the thermometer firmly and give it a few jerks to bring the level of mercury below 35 degrees Celsius. Place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue for about 2 minutes. In case of a child, place it below the armpit and not in the mouth. After 2 minutes, take out the thermometer and read the mercury level of the thermometer by holding it horizontally in the line of sight. This gives our body temperature in degrees Celsius. Relationship between different temperature scales unit. Here, relationship between Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. Here C represents the temperature in Celsius, F represents the temperature in degree Fahrenheit, K we only say the K, we don't use degree. 273 is the freezing point. In detail we will discuss in class when we'll meet again.